One day, a father sends his son to learn about the secret of happiness from the wisest man in the world. The boy had to walk through the desert for 40 days and finally came upon a beautiful castle high upon the mountain. It was there that the wise man was living. But rather than finding a saintly man, a hero, on entering the main door of the castle, saw all sorts of activity. Trades were going on. People were talking to each other in all corners of the room. A small orchestra was playing some music, and there was a table covered with the platters of the most delicious foods from all around the world. The wise man talked and mingled with everyone, and the boy had to wait for 2 hours before it was his turn to be given the man's attention. The wise man listened attentively to the boy's explanation of why he had come. The wise man told him that he didn't have time just then to explain the secret of happiness. He suggested that the boy look around the palace and return in 2 hours. Meanwhile, I want to ask you to do something, said the wise man, handing the boy a teaspoon that held 2 drops of oil. As you walk around, carry this spoon with you without allowing the oil to spill. The boy began walking up and down the many stairways of the palace, keeping his eyes fixed on the spoon. After 2 hours, he returned to the room where the wise man was. Well, asked the wise man, how do you like my castle? Did you see the Persian tapestries that are hanging in my dining hall? Did you see the garden that it took the master gardener 10 years to create? Did you notice the beautiful shelves and books in my library? The boy was embarrassed and confessed that he observed nothing, and instead his only concern had been not to spill the oil that the wise man had entrusted to him. Then go back and observe the marvels of my world, said the wise man. The boy picked up the spoon and returned to his exploration of the palace. This time, observing all the works of art on the ceilings and walls, he saw the gardens, the mountains all around him, and the beauty of the flowers and the like. Upon returning to the wise man, he related in detail everything he had seen. But where are the drops of oil entrusted to you? Asked the wise man, looking down at the spoon he held. The boy saw that the oil was gone. Well, there is only one piece of advice I can give you, said the wisest of wise men. The secret of happiness is to see all the marvels of the world and never to forget the drops of oil on the spoon. No matter how far you travel and what wonders of the world you may explore, never forget who you are and where you come from. Never lose your character and stay tuned to your conscience while focusing on the world and people around you. Open your eyes and see the world around you without forgetting who you are and what is important in your life.